Hello and welcome. I'm Ananya, and today we're going to explore the most important laws that protect, empower, and secure the rights of women in India. From the Constitution to the latest amendments on maternity leave, property rights, and protection from violence, Indian law has come a long way. But do you know your rights? Let's break it down, simply and clearly. The Indian Constitution is the starting point. Article 14 gives every woman equality before the law. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on the basis of sex, and it allows the state to make special provisions for women and children. Article 16 ensures equal opportunity in public employment. Then, under the directive principles, Article 39A says men and women equally have the right to an adequate livelihood. Article 39E protects women from forced labor, and Article 42 secures just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief. So the Constitution itself commands gender justice. But what do these rights look like in daily life? At the workplace, Indian law gives women several powerful rights. First, equal pay for equal work. The Equal Remuneration Act, 1976, makes it illegal to pay a woman less than a man for the same work. Second, protection from sexual harassment. The 2013 Act requires every organization to have an internal complaints committee. Third, dignity and decency. If a woman is arrested, any medical examination must be done by or in the presence of another woman. Also, women cannot be arrested between sunset and sunrise except with a special order from a first-class magistrate. And if you cannot go to a police station, you can file a complaint online or even by post. The police must come to you. One of the biggest improvements is maternity leave. Under the Maternity Benefit Act, amended in 2017, for the first 2 children, 26 weeks of paid maternity leave. Prenatal leave increased from 6 to 8 weeks. For a woman with 2 or more children, 12 weeks. Adoption and surrogacy leave is also 12 weeks. Remember, if your employer has 10 or more employees, you are covered. Creche facility is mandatory if you have 50 or more. Now let's talk about protection from violence within the home. Domestic violence is not just physical. It includes physical, sexual, verbal, emotional, and economic abuse, harassment for dowry, and threats. A woman can file a complaint against her husband, male partner, or even relatives. Dowry harassment is separately punished under Section 498A of the IPC, cruelty by the husband or his family. Section 304B covers dowry death if a woman dies within 7 years of marriage under suspicious circumstances. The Indian Penal Code contains strong provisions for sexual offenses. Section 354 punishes outraging modesty. Section 354A covers sexual harassment, and Section 354C punishes voyeurism, watching or capturing private acts without consent. Section 354D punishes stalking. Rape is defined under Section 375 as sexual intercourse without consent. The landmark 2013 Nirbhaya Act introduced stricter punishment, including death for repeat offenders. Identity is protected by law. In family matters, women have many legal safeguards. Section 125 of the CRPC allows women to claim maintenance. The Supreme Court recently eased divorce rules for irretrievably broken marriages. Bigamy is a crime under Section 494. Importantly, the Hindu Succession Act gave daughters equal rights as sons in ancestral property. And in 2018, the Supreme Court ruled that adultery is not a crime, though it remains a ground for divorce. Indian law protects a woman's reproductive choices while preventing sex-selective abortion. The MTP Act allows abortion up to 24 weeks. The PCPN-DT Act completely bans prenatal sex determination. India has also ratified CEDAW, often called the Magna Carta of Women's Rights. CEDAW requires states to eliminate discrimination in law and practice and recognize the role of culture and traditions. Finally, the National Commission for Women reviews legal safeguards and recommends amendments. Institutions like the NCW and Mahila Lok Adalats provide speedy justice and help women access their rights. Indian law gives women powerful tools, but law only works when you know it and use it. Share this knowledge. Speak up. Your rights are not a privilege, they are the law. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more legal lessons.